As the #1 brand of cordless snowblowers, we here at Snow Joe and Sun Joe know the work doesn't stop for the weather. So we designed the next generation of lithium-ion batteries to be a force of nature.
Made the 24-volt and 48-volt IONMAX system tougher than ever.
And built to last with cutting-edge lithium-ion technology like EcoSharp power management for optimized performance that adjusts to your working conditions. Shock-resistant battery cases that stand up to what you dish out. No memory effects, no fade power.
And over 150+ compatible cordless tools and counting.
So your tools are ready when you are in spring, summer, fall, and winter. Anytime, anywhere the work takes you. Go with Joe and cut the cord for more runtime, more efficiency, more tools than ever, and 0 carbon emissions.
24-volt and 48-volt IONMAX system from Snow Joe.
Power to go.